everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about some common reasons why your car AC doesn't work. If your car air conditioner doesn't work, then I'm going to be going over some reasons that you should be looking into. My air conditioner didn't work in the past, and sometimes it's a simple fix. It's as simple as that. Okay, reason number one is it needs to be recharged. Your car air conditioner is all charged up with a specific thing. It might be a R34A, some people call it Freon. It all depends on the year of the car and where you're located. But generally speaking, your car's air conditioner is charged up with a specific type of gas. And when it runs low on that specific type of gas, well, then it needs to be recharged. If it doesn't have the gas, it cannot convert the air to cold air. It cannot run properly, so it might need to be recharged. Reason number two is the compressor is not working properly. This was the case with my car. The compressor wasn't functioning properly. Specifically, the compressor clutch of the air conditioner wasn't functioning properly. Now, the compressor is a main component. It's a vital component of the actual unit of the actual air conditioner. So you got to make sure that your compressor is working properly if you want your air conditioner to work properly. So look into your compressor, see if the compressor clutch is spinning, and so forth. Common reason number three is the fan itself has stopped working. Your air conditioner obviously uses a fan to get the air into your car. It's possible that the fan in itself has stopped working. So just take a look into it. If the fan itself isn't working, that's obviously going to affect your air conditioner's ability to function properly. So just take a look into it. Does the fan work? Does it not work? Very simple thing to look into. You can generally do that yourself. Easy way to look at if the fan does or does not work. Okay, number four, and this is probably the most common reason that is so easy to fix, and it is the fuse is blown. So all of the electrical components of your car are based on fuses. They run off of fuses, and those fuses are there to prevent the car and the battery and the electrical system from short circuiting and from basically to prevent bad things from happening. That's the best way to put it. Now, if the fuse blows, then the fuse is basically a connection point between the wiring and the unit itself. So if a fuse blows, that means the air conditioner unit or the air conditioner system or part of it is not actually connected to the battery. The fuse is what connects it. If the fuse blows, basically this disconnects it. So with that being said, if the fuse is blown, you can simply replace the fuse, but you got to look into why the fuse was blown. Sometimes fuses just simply blow as a safety precaution. Other times it's because of an underlying reason, and the fuse will continue to just blow and pop and pop. So with that being said, you got to look into why it's happened. Last but not least is the fifth common reason. This is something so simple, easy to fix, but the reason is the button itself is impressed. Now, this happens sometimes, believe it or not. People are like, my air conditioner is not working, it's not working. And you look at the button and it's not illuminated. The button hasn't impressed. I mean, I wish this could be something that I was making up, but I've known many people that have asked me for help to try and help them with their air conditioner, because I fixed my own air conditioner, to ask them for help, and then I go to help them and the button's not pressed. I mean, like, it happens. It's funny, it happens, but it's something so simple. Just push the button and hopefully it works for you. And that's it. In this video, I've gone over some common reasons why your air conditioner in your car is not working properly. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.